Welcome to Review Lab. The best True Metrix Air is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for anyone managing diabetes, offering a streamlined and accurate way to monitor blood glucose levels right from your smartphone, ensuring you stay informed and in control of your health with unprecedented ease and convenience. Number 5. True Metrix Self-Monitoring Blood Glucose Test Strips. Take control of your health with accurate blood glucose monitoring. These test strips are designed for reliable results every time. Ensure seamless integration with your True Metrix glucose meter. They are specifically designed to work together for your convenience. Get more of what you need with this value pack. It includes 100 test strips, providing a convenient supply for your testing needs. Testing your blood glucose has never been easier. Simply use these strips with your compatible meter for quick and straightforward readings. Rely on these strips for your daily self-monitoring routine. They are a trusted choice for individuals managing their blood glucose levels. This pack conveniently contains 2 boxes, each with 50 test strips. This makes it easy to keep a supply on hand. What we like. This value pack offers a convenient way to stock up on your testing supplies. It comes with 2 boxes of 50 strips each, ensuring you have enough for regular monitoring. If you are looking for a cost-effective option for consistent blood glucose tracking, this is a great choice. What people say. The test strips are very accurate and easy to use. I have been using these test strips for a while now and they consistently provide reliable results. The design of the test strips makes it simple to get a blood sample and insert it into the meter. Number 4. True Metrix Self-Monitoring Blood Glucose Test Strips. Achieve accurate blood glucose readings with our reliable test strips. Designed for ease of use, they ensure you stay informed about your health. These test strips are specifically designed to work seamlessly with the True Metrix family of glucose meters. Enjoy consistent and dependable performance. Get a great value with this 100-count pack of test strips. It's a convenient and economical choice for your regular testing needs. Take control of your health with easy self-monitoring. Our strips make it simple to check your glucose levels in the comfort of your home. Rely on trusted performance for your health management. These strips provide the accuracy you need for peace of mind. What we like. This option provides a straightforward 100-count supply of test strips compatible with the True Metrix meter family. It's designed for users who prefer a simple, bulk purchase for their ongoing diabetes management. If you need a reliable and ample supply of strips without extra components, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to use and read. Accurate readings. Works well with my meter. Number 3. LinkSun G425-1 Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the LinkSun G425-1, designed for simple and reliable blood sugar testing at home. Its large display makes it easy for anyone to read results. Experience accurate and dependable readings with advanced detection technology. It meets the ISO 15197:2015 standard, ensuring quality you can rely on. Get started quickly with its no-coding design. Just insert a test strip to begin, and a quick guide makes the process straightforward. Tests are ready in just 5 seconds. It also offers adjustable lancing strengths for a comfortable experience tailored to your needs. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the meter, lancing device, 100 test strips, 100 lancets, and control solution. The large, clear display is perfect for seniors, making blood glucose results easy to see and understand. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed for ultimate ease of use, especially for seniors. It includes everything you need: meter, strips, lancets, and control solution, all with a large, clear display. If you are looking for an all-in-one, user-friendly solution for home blood sugar testing, this kit simplifies the process significantly. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate readings. I have been using these strips for a while now and they consistently give reliable results. The packaging is convenient and keeps the strips fresh. Number 2. McKesson True Metrix Blood Glucose Test Strips. Achieve accurate blood sugar readings with ease. These test strips are designed for reliable diabetes management. Using them is simple and straightforward. Just apply a small blood sample to the strip for quick results. Take them anywhere you go for testing on the move. You can depend on consistent and trustworthy results every time. These are specifically made for individuals managing diabetes. They work seamlessly with your glucose meter. Each pack contains 100 test strips, ensuring you have an ample supply for your testing needs. What we like. This is a reliable and portable option for accurate blood glucose monitoring. It's designed for simplicity, making it easy to use on the go or at home. If you prioritize accuracy and convenience in your diabetes testing kit, this product offers a dependable solution. What people say. The test strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I appreciate the quick testing time, it only takes a few seconds to get a reading. The strips are compatible with my glucose meter, which is a major plus. Number 1. True Metrix Glucose Test Strips and Lancets. Achieve accurate blood glucose readings with our reliable test strips. Designed for precision, they ensure you get the results you need. Experience comfortable blood sampling with our 30G Lancets. They are designed for minimal discomfort, making testing easier. This pack provides both test strips and lancets for a complete blood glucose monitoring solution. Everything you need is conveniently included. Our test strips and lancets are fully compatible with the True Metrix family of self-monitoring blood glucose meters. Ensure seamless integration with your device. With 100 test strips and 100 lancets, you'll have a generous supply for your regular monitoring needs. This ensures you're always prepared. What we like. This bundle includes both test strips and lancets, offering a convenient pairing for your True Metrix meter. It ensures you have both essential components for testing readily available. If you prefer to purchase your strips and lancets together from a trusted brand, this 100-count pack is an excellent choice. What people say. The test strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I appreciate the quick testing time, which allows me to monitor my blood sugar levels efficiently. The strips are compatible with my glucose meter and have proven to be reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.